Well, I'm making this video for my friend Gary so I can show him what he missed out on. My garage door was broken and I had him here and we talked about fixing it, but I decided to just wait and fix it myself. You see up there, it was kind of tied on and had a clamp, and way too much cable was used at the top. It's hard to show it, but the cable hooks to the bottom of the door, goes up over a pulley up there. I'm trying to get it. There we go. Well, anyway, that's how it works. Maybe if I put it up a little higher, we can see better. But I changed the cable around where I had a lot of extra cable on this end to do that with that little clamp. Before, it was all down at that end, and somehow it came loose. The clamp ended up lost, probably over in one of these boxes or something. It flew off. I thought that the door was rotted out enough to where it fastens had came loose, and I thought I was going to have to rig it. But it turns out all it needed was putting the cable back on, which was easy, and I could do that myself. I just had to set up a little ladder and climb up there and do it. So you didn't miss much. I'm moving started raining, so I gotta get some of this stuff inside. Life has been a mess for me this summer. One project after another, and plenty of hurdles and obstacles. It's good for me though. Keeps my mind working. Come here, Millet. He's not used to being out in the garage. Sit. Good. Sit there. Sit. Sit. Junky old door. One of these days I'll get one and replace it. But hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I got it to where it opens and closes again. Pretty old. This house is probably 75 years old. And I actually fixed this, I think that spring, way back, like 25 years ago. The guy that owned this house asked me to help him, so I did, and we had to get another spring. I think one of the springs broke, so we just went to the hardware store, got the spring, and put it on. Old stuff is repairable. So don't just write it off because it's old.